Okay, so we're going to have a look at how we get a background and also how you make the background change. This is also a way of showing you how you could do different levels in Scratch. Anything that doesn't have an action, so anything that does nothing at all, just stands there looking pretty, should be part of the background. If it moves or gets clicked or anything else, it's a sprite. So we'll go to our stage, which is where our background is, and up here I can change the background. So if I wanted, let's say, to have a screen that said welcome to my game, then I would edit my background, I would put some text in, I would choose my font, let's not have Comic Sans, let's try, I don't know, Aardvark, that sounds fun, and let's make it nice and big, move to where I want it, and put welcome to my game. And then I want the background to be a nice light greeny colour, and I'm going to do it with what's called a gradient fill. There we go. That's my background, and you can see now Scratch is on my background. But I want a second one for the actual game itself. So let's paint a second background, and I'm going to very quickly make a maze. So there's my maze. It's nice and simple. Let's have a little red circle in the middle, and that's the actual victory point. And then let's just use the eraser to rub out some gaps so that Scratch can actually get into the middle when we want it to. Very simple background. There we go. So scene 1, scene 2. Under scripts, I'm going to say control. When I start the game, when I press the flag, then what I want to do is make sure that I'm showing background number 1, which is the new welcome to my game. I want it to wait for 3 seconds, and then I want it to change to background 2. So what happens now when I start it is welcome to my game, 1, 2, 3, into the game itself. You might want to consider doing something similar with Scratch, by which I mean you might want him to, when we start the game, to disappear, then to wait 3 seconds, just like we are with the background, and then to reappear. So now, welcome to my game, after 3 seconds, it changes background and Scratch appears. Moving on to the next level, we'll look at a little bit later on, but that's the basics. If you get all your levels and all your backgrounds in first, you can then move on to the next level in a different way later on. Okay, let's stop there.